Today, it is being announced that Geibel Catholic Junior Senior High School has earned the recognition by the Catholic Education Honor Roll as a quote-unquote 2014 School of Excellence. This is the second time Geibel has received this distinction in a national pool of candidates. The Catholic Education Honor Roll recognizes secondary schools throughout the United States which are committed to strong Catholic identity and academic excellence. These schools agree to embrace and support and work toward achieving the so-called indicators of a school of excellence. And Geibel has fulfilled these expectations in a superlative way by living its Catholic vision and mission and operationalizing this mission in every aspect of the school's function. Therefore, its teaching model is also holistic. It not only includes subject matter, but values. Also, here at Geibel, 17 courses are taught for college credits. 99% of Geibel graduates go on to college. Geibel is then truly developing future leaders for the civic community and also for the church. Geibel is, therefore, a great community asset. I congratulate Mr. Don Favero and the faculty and staff who make it possible for Geibel to be recognized in this way. And I want to add a special thank you and recognition to the parents and the benefactors who are so supportive of Geibel and so committed and faithful to it. It certainly makes me proud to be your bishop. This award reflects exactly what made Geibel's patron, Blessed Pier Giorgio Frassati, such a great role model for Geibel. Pier Giorgio exemplified the very reasons, the indicators of excellence, for which Geibel received this distinction. Pier Giorgio was very bright. There you have academic excellence. He was an advocate for the poor. There you have social and charitable engagement. He was genuinely holy. Yes, he lived his personal Catholic mission. And he was an enthusiastic mountain climber. The holistic integration of all of these things into his whole person. It is my hope that this honor will send a compelling message to the community that Geibel is the place to be. As you know, Pier Giorgio was an enthusiastic mountain climber, and his motto was verso l'alto, to the top. Well, Geibel is now at the top of Catholic schools in the United States.